What are the benefits of using a water-fed pole system? One major benefit is speed. Another is safety, as all work can be carried out from the ground. WFP systems will help you wash those difficult-to-reach places and provide consistent quality. Their operation is easier to grasp than traditional techniques, meaning that work can be delegated more easily. How does a WFP system work? It starts by making pure water using some type of RO system, because pure water dries spot-free. To deliver the water where it is needed, you will need a pole attached to a hose and either an RO trolley or an on-board system. An on-board system uses a 12-volt pump to deliver the water to the pole. An RO trolley relies on mains water pressure to deliver the water to the pole, but in low-pressure areas, a booster pump is required. For better control of the pump-boosted system, you will need a controller. This gives you fine control over the amount of water on the glass and offers other benefits such as detection of a dead-end situation with automatic pump shutdown and a warning when the pressure switch has operated. Here you can see a water-fed pole system in action. It allows you to work faster and safer, with consistent results making a great solution.